Mapsi has created the definitive system for the protected delivery of initial PIN codes. A self-enveloping form that offers greater security than the competition thanks to its method of folding, which uses two high-pressure glue frames with perforated lines, both internally and externally in one of the frames. As such, when folded and sealed, two frames remain sealed face-to-face. When customizing the letter with the address and text, the PIN code is printed within one of the frames, and the other is darkened to avoid transparency. The printing can be done on any printer. The folding and sealing are done in a single operation without the intervention of operators, after which the form is ready to be distributed to the recipient. The process is completely to open the sheet. The recipient tears the frame around the outside, leaving the information hidden. To gain access to the enclosed information, the recipient must remove the central part, tearing along the interior perforations of the frame. In case of tampering, any attempt to reconstruct the opening mechanism will require the use of glue, thereby forcing the intruder to change the opening method and leave evidence of tampering. This system guarantees total, automatic safety for a minimal cost. The two systems currently on the market offer less security than the Mapsi system. The copyable form system consists of a sheet folded in on itself and sealed along the sides to enclose a middle sheet containing the hidden information. The PIN code is printed on this middle sheet in this masked area, using impact printers that transfer the carbon die, located on the back of the top sheet. The bottom sheet is completely covered with a printed mask to prevent against transparency. The reliability of this method remains in question, given that in some cases the pressure of impact printers is hard to control. The sheet may not be printed sufficiently, or the hidden content may be easily revealed despite the masked area. This does not, however, prevent the envelope from being easily opened and closed without signs of tampering. An unsafe, expensive, and obsolete system. The other system is the self-enveloping letter with protection, which consists of a self-sealing envelope with a box bordered by perforations, which are torn off to open the letter. A mask is printed on the front of the self-sealing envelope over the box area, and the surrounding area is covered by a transparent film. Laser or inkjet printers can be used when personalizing the letter. After opening the letter, the recipient must remove the box from the back so that they can read the code printed on the transparent film. If the envelope is tampered with, bubbles will be left in film as evidence. If the box is dampened prior to being replaced, however, by applying some pressure, all the air can be expelled, leaving hardly any sign of tampering. Even worse is that with the use of light, the code can be read as the toner or ink leaves an imprint on the film. You don't even have to remove the box. Security is seriously compromised. A commonly used method is the scratch system, which involves covering the code with a silkscreen label with a transparent base. The system is very labor-intensive and requires 10 times the investment. Its security system is extremely easy to breach. The previously scratched area can be covered up with a fat-based marker pen or nail varnish. The recipient, ignorant of the original finish or coating, scratches off the label without ever realizing that the envelope or letter has already been tampered with. Ultimately, only Mapsi offers complete safety, efficiency, and economy.